Hi, this is Andrew with the Insight Studio and Hubcest, here to bring you power tips on how to get the most out of your HubSpot CRM, out of your marketing and sales tech stack to grow revenue for your company. Let's dive in. Power tip one, productivity. We're talking about leveraging an AI note taker in your virtual meeting space to power your CRM. What's the AI note taker and why should I care, Andrew? It's an amazing tool. Instead of logging calls with pen and paper, which you still might do, the AI note taker records your entire virtual call and then seamlessly pushes that information into the CRM of your choice so you can be able to move to the next call and not lose productivity and have to keep track of those meetings. So step one, go to fathom.com and sign up. It's free, right? Amazing. That's why I like it. And as you grow as a team, there are paid versions as well, but for free for you should work for now. Step two, once you get Fathom set up, and I'm going to share my screen now. Once you get Fathom set up for free, go to the settings tab. Here's where you're going to explore where to connect video conferencing, Zoom. We'll get up into that in a minute. And then where to dig into the HubSpot integration, which you can see I've already connected. In this case, I'll actually disconnect it and show you just how easy it is. If I scroll down to HubSpot, the integrations, I click connect. It takes me to the HubSpot backend where I find my portal, which I choose account and connect with. And just like that, I'm reviewing the backend options and saying I am agreeing to it, and I connect this app. From here, you only have to take a couple more steps saying, hey, do I want to log all calls or not? And do I want to create tasks or not? We advocate doing both and automatically syncing those HubSpots contacts to their contact activity information after a meeting ends. That's a great setting. That's step one. Step two is going into Zoom and updating and connecting your Zoom settings so it also automatically records and sets it up so you get those recordings from your Zoom or other meeting scheduler of choice. Just like that, we have leveraged an AI note-taking tool with Zoom for remote meetings and calls with your CRM HubSpot to get the most out of your day. I hope you've enjoyed this HubSpot power tip, and I look forward to helping you with additional tips into the future. I'm Andrew with the Insight Studio and Hubcest, and remember, let's all work on growing HubSpot expertise and skill together.